So, here we are with Michael Richardson,
Yes.
and you are the founder of this company, Retro EV.
Correct.
Yeah, could you please tell us a little about it?
I'd be happy to.
Yeah.
So, I come from the States originally. I had this idea about 15 years ago to combine vintage cars with electronics that are contemporary. Been watching this industry for a long time, and I decided in about 2015 that it was time to jump in with my own startup to transform beautiful original classics into contemporary electric vehicles, but with real respect for the originality of these cars and their design.
Okay.
So I found the best engineers and designers here in Helsinki, Finland, actually, which is where we're based.
So, and why did you move to Finland instead of just doing it in the States?
Well, that's a great question. I grew up in the States, I've lived and worked on both coasts and so forth, and I really wanted to make our electric car company something different than the traditional American sort of resto mod, street rod, outlaw, 1,000 horsepower Mustang thing. We really want to be the Swiss watch of all of this, and in effect, transforming these beautiful classics with a lot of attention to the details of the original designs of these cars. So we want to be the Patek Philippe to everyone else's swatch in this industry.
And if you look at this, was it GTA?
This is
sorry, did you? Yeah, this is MGA. Yes, you have the
GT6
Triumph
over
GT6
there.
over there. Yes, and could you just tell us a little about it?
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah.
So we're looking here at an original 1959 MGA Roadster.
Yeah.
We always start with original titled cars. They're not replicas, they're not kits, they're the real thing. So this is a real 59, and we work with our restoration partners to fully restore the car, and during the restoration, integrate our patent-pending modular EV architecture. So we've created our own architecture for electric vehicles
and is that
in the context of existing cars.
Okay, is it very different between the different cars? You have the Triumph over there and the MG here. Is that a lot different? Or?
We use a similar high-level architecture, but the implementation turns out to be very specific to the platform. So in this MGA, for example, we were able to package the batteries in the chassis itself, below the floorboard.
Okay,
a bit like a
Tesla
Tesla platform, exactly. And you can see that in one of these photos here. There you go. So there you can see the batteries integrated into the chassis. The drive motor is right here, where the original transmission was. We're using a direct drive to our modernized independent rear suspension system. That means no gearbox. It's just a single motor, direct drive, one moving piece in the drivetrain. And the battery system here is integrated in such a way that we can swap this out in the future without taking the car apart. So we can drop this down, replace it with new technology when that battery technology advances. So think about it. 3 years from now, we can offer you a new battery system that maybe doubles the range without increasing the weight. So we make the swap, you drive away, now you have more range, maybe faster charging, and the car dynamics are exactly the same as you're used to. It's perfect.
And could you just please tell me about this? I saw this Rolls Royce that you
That's right.
You make like one right now, or you
yes, exactly. This beautiful example. This is actually a photograph of the first of our eCorniche Rolls Royces. We are crazy enough to take on this massive project. This is a customer car, and this is something that will be replacing that 6.75 liter V8. We'll be powering the steering, the air conditioning, the brakes, the heat, everything.
But you will have a lot of space in there, and it will be like Rolls-Royce should really be silent. So it's a perfect match.
Exactly. We think this is going to be the ultimate luxury glider, and as a cabriolet in particular, we think that's beautiful. And the engineering that we'll do for the platform, we can then apply to all the Rolls-Royces and Bentleys from the 60s and 70s. So whether it's the cabriolet, the sedan, the big four-door sedan or the coupe.
Yeah.
We can do all of those, and that's going to broaden out our product line and enter into that very high sort of sustainable luxury category that we want to be in.
Really, really cool. And so...
And that project will take us about the next 12 months or so to complete. So,
but then you have also created the architecture for a lot of
exactly.
The rest of the cars.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So our EV architecture, this really demonstrates how our EV architecture can scale big. So we can do the smallest sports cars, and we can do the largest sedans, and the architecture is the same. So the components inside, there's a common building block. It's like a Lego system for electric vehicles. Really
nice. Okay, thank you so much for your time, Michael. I hope that you will be really successful with this. It's and as I saw the first this Jaguar E-Type.
Yes, for Prince Harry and Meghan. Yeah, we love that.
I thought that was really cool. So and then when I saw this, I almost thought you were the guys making it, but that was Jaguar themselves. Okay. Thank you very much, and I will go and see some other stuff here on the fair.
Thank you. Enjoy the fair.
Yeah, thank you.